in today's English lesson, you are going to learn English from a teacher on a tube. I've done some stupid things before. I've jumped off a bridge teaching English. 3, 2, 1, jump. I've ridden on a roller coaster teaching English. I'm having a little anxiety as I go down this hill. Here we go! Oh, this is gonna be harder than I thought. I've even taught English in a blizzard. Really sick.
You can have raw food that will hurt you. It's hard to feel my face right now.
Today, I'm on a tube. This lesson won't end until I fall off, which might be kind of soon because he's going kind of fast. First, I'd like to teach you the term receding hairline. We say receding hairline when someone is losing their hair slowly. My hairline is right here where my forehead, oh, this is gonna be hard. My forehead and my hair meet. Oh, slow. I'm gonna fall off. Slow, slow. Oh, it's bad. So, I'm losing my hair. This is harder than the roller coaster, I think. Oh, hang on. Let's talk about spotter, because I'm gonna fall off. That boat has spotters on it. Oh my gosh. Whoa, hang on. A spotter is gonna make sure the driver knows that I have fallen off so they can come pick me up. And right now I'm being towed by this boat. The boat is towing me. That's the verb we would use. And now we're turning, which is probably where I fall off because I have to hold on one-handed, which is really hard. I need to film with one hand and I'm holding on one-handed. You could drive a boat one-handed. Right, I feel a little better now. I might not fall off, but take a look at the view here. Yeah, so I'm holding on one-handed. Let's talk about receding again. My hairline is slowly going further from the front of my head each year because I'm going bald. If you think about the ocean has receding water. Sometimes the water goes closer to the shore. Sometimes it recedes from the shore. Recedes means to go away slowly. And my hair is receding from my head. Whoa, whoa, whoa. One-handed, still holding on. Now I'm gonna get a little cocky. Cocky means doing something you probably shouldn't. I'm going to try to get to my knees on this tube. We'll see how it goes. Look at this. I'm up. I'm being cocky, but that might mean I could fall off at any minute. But I don't think so. Let's try to get a thumbnail. It's getting a little rougher. Such a beautiful day out here. Let me know in the comments section, would you ride a tube like this and also teach English? Or would you just ride a tube like this? Oh, some big waves coming up. Not sure if I can hold on. Ah! Woo! Oh. How do we do? The boat is all the way down there, but luckily there's a spotter to let the driver know that I fell off. And the beautiful thing about being in the water like this is that I can go to the bathroom and nobody knows. But I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that on camera. But if I did, you wouldn't know. So it's okay. Oh, it's warm. It's warm. Uh-oh. So the boat is coming to pick me up. I fell off. Those are a couple English phrasal verbs for you. Thanks. Oh. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe if you like this English lesson. And right up there is an English lesson where I jumped off a bridge. Thanks so much for watching. Let's get the better sun here. Oh, here comes my tube. I forgot to say, that was a tube. I was riding on the tube. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.